Hello everyone. I hope you guys had a wonderful day, made some really good trades as per usual, and let's dive into some GameStop analysis. Now, I'm very tired today, but I will make the best effort to give you guys as much info as I can. So overall, we started off the week banging. We have been pumping like crazy. Um, are we Wednesday? No, we're Tuesday. Okay, so we're Tuesday still. Okay, sorry, I just got a little bit confused there. Yeah, so good. I'm on the days I'm supposed to make the video. So regardless, right now, GameStop has been getting a huge rally, right? From 27 all the way to 30. We hit like 35 something today. What did we hit? 35.75. And now we're actually above this previous pivot. And we retested it on the smaller time frames as, support. And we've bounced, right? We got a nice little bounce. Will it hold? We'll find out tomorrow. If we get a dip down, it should be buyable. If we actually come back down and fill this gap, it would be a buyable dip for another high. Because now you would mark this wave as complete. You'd look for a wave 4 and another rally. But it's inside of another wave 3, which is inside of another wave 3, and it's like a subset of waves. So really, to me, the upside, is only beginning. There's still lots of it to come. It's just you may need some consolidation, right? So you could rally, consolidate, rally again, consolidate, and rally again. You don't have to do that. For sure, you could just keep going straight up. Obviously, that would be the most fun, right? We just go straight up nonstop. No pause, no breaks. Wouldn't that be awesome? I'm pretty sure everybody would be pretty happy if that was the outcome. Because I think everyone has been waiting. Everyone keeps telling me how long they've been waiting for a rally, right? But again, the charts did not dictate it so until recently. And that's when I started adding more to the position. We've gotten a tremendous move since then. So right now, what I'm seeing here, we'll take a look at not wave edge, market cipher. Sorry, we'll take a look at our new weekly candle, which is pointing to some big upside with a 13 and a -5, getting even more bullish. You have increasing green money flow, very good sign. 4-day time frame, increasing green money flow, bullish dual band strength index numbers. Same thing on the 3-day. Actually, the 3-day is not as bullish. I think it was bearish for a bit. That's why it's kind of struggling. So anyways, we'll see what happens on the new candle print. The 2-day and the daily, both of them looking amazing. The RSI is extremely tight on the daily time frame, looking good. Increasing green money flow. 4-hour time frame, green money flow. Momentum waves are curling in just a little bit, but again, no sign just yet of like a significant top or anything like that. The hourly time frame, we got some green money flow and a couple red dots here, but you can see you don't follow the bearish signals when you're in a strong uptrend. You follow the bullish ones, right? Look at this green dot that came through and you got more upside afterwards. 15-minute, you actually have a ton of green money. Like, it's like a giant wave of green money flow right now. And you got this tight little momentum wave with a GameStop and a bullish dual band strength index numbers on that last candle. So it's looking good for tomorrow again. But again, I can't promise or predict anything. I can change at any moment. And I don't like to make grandiose predictions or anything like that. We just trade what's in front of us, and we just give you updates on the counts that we're in. So far, they've been pretty good. We're clearly inside of this wave 3, and I was talking to you guys about impulsiveness last time. We want to see impulsive waves, like big push, consolidate, big push, chop, right? Chop a bit, and big pushes, right? So that's what we're seeing now, right? This had me kind of worried because it was rounding off a bit, but we got this dip buy and we reset the RSI so much, and like that's all the bears, the shorts, the sellers could muster was like a tiny little drop of 10%, and reset the RSI, then that was kind of it, right? And now we're off to the races inside the wave 3. Now we still need a 4 and a 5 to really confirm that we're going to see more upside, and this could extend. It could be an extended 5th wave, and if your race divergence, then you're extended wave 3. So like the good times are here, but we need to continue our analysis to see how long the good times are going to last, because obviously nothing lasts forever. The good times don't last forever, right? Just like when we're going up here, we had a grand time, right? We were rallying from October all the way to January. 3 months, 2 months of rallying, right? And then we had to suffer for a bit. We actually suffered for quite a bit, right? It was like 3 months again of downside. Now we're getting to the good times again. We're only like, how many days is this? 53 days. It goes to like 90 days, right? I'm just guessing, right? I don't really know how long this rally is gonna go for, but like, let's say it goes for another 90 days, and you got some more time on the clock, right? The party isn't over. We'll take a look at wave edge real quick. So I'll give you guys my take on the new weekly candle. So I don't see any new signals on the weekly in terms of wave edge. The 4-day, holy shit, that's a big candle. Nothing really there. 3-day, 2-day, daily, 12-hour, 4-hour. You see, that's what I'm saying. Like, we haven't even seen the selling yet, right? We've seen selling when we were up here, and they were really taking profit, right? And then we saw, the price decline afterwards. I haven't seen nothing yet. They haven't even taken a bite out of GameStop. So I guess everyone's still holding. So it's a good sign. Even the hourly, didn't really see any significant sells here. 30 minutes. It's only like if you dive in like on the minute time frames where you get sells, but you also get dip buy opportunities. And I mean, if you're not in GameStop, you take these as high risk long setups, and you could just long against this low, and if you break back the low, then you look for a better setup. But let's say the wave 4 wants to play out tomorrow. I'll kind of give you guys where I think it could go in terms of like a dip buy. So you could see here, we kind of ended this on the wave 3. Now I was worried today that we weren't going to take this peak out, but we took the peak out. So we kind of confirmed that this wave 3 is actually here, right? So it's actually, I'll show you guys, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Because you made an impulse. So you're confirming that this move up. It's shaping itself, and it's really good. That's what we want to see. We want to see these counts play out. Now we ended the day like this, with like kind of like a big impulsive move. Wouldn't be surprised if we saw like a shakeout tomorrow morning or something of that like nature. It doesn't have to happen, but if it does happen, you know where to buy. Yeah, well, between 33.77 to 32.83, and it could easily just hit this area and start to reverse. But I wouldn't be surprised if you fill the gap, right? If it wants to fill the gap, it can fill the gap. And yeah, that's kind of your target, right? For the short term, see if this wave 4 wants to go lower, or if it wants to finish and just pump straight away. And yeah, that's kind of it, guys. I don't really have much more info. Just again, like, it looks to me like this rally has more like gas left in the tank. I don't think it's over just yet. I saw some people like shitting on people that like, oh, you see, like, you guys are so stupid, like, it's obviously a bull trap. And because we pulled back pretty hard, right? At the beginning of the day, we pulled back like 4 or 5%, and it recovered the whole thing, and it even went higher. So, like, get on the train. The train is leaving the station. The train has left the station. We may make a pit stop, but are we really gonna, or are we just gonna go straight up? And when I say straight up, guys, I mean like we're gonna see more upside and consolidate, and then more upside again. So yeah. Next area of resistance, major resistance, probably this pivot up here. But really, I think we're going to hit this downsloping trend line around 47 or 45 before then. So that's kind of what I'm seeing here. Probably something like this, right? Chop, then push higher, then maybe hold, pull back, retest. You don't know. We don't know how the counts are just gonna play out. I'm really just guessing at this point. But yeah, and then we got we have these threes to play out, and this three. So like we got ways to go, in my opinion. But it's just gonna take some time. Be patient. Enjoy the run, right? It's fun days like this. Shit's going crazy. Everyone's having a good time watching the market go up. All right. Have a wonderful evening. Thanks for watching as per usual. I'll do my next update on Thursday. Peace.